little bit further on now, and we passed a dog a couple of minutes ago, but I hadn't got the camera ready. Okay, we're now walking behind a dog, as you can see in front, and here's Mr. Roobs. He's focused, he's alert, but he's not worried. Often dogs in this situation will kick off as soon as they see another dog, and that in actual fact is what Roobs was doing when he was first out with his sister in this park, and he would kick off at quite a distance. It would be a lot further, and this dog's away from us. Wait. Good boy. Come. Okay. Well, I think that shows what an incredible progression he's made. A matter of a couple of weeks, and this dog that was acting very dog aggressive is now completely calm and just letting the other dogs walk around without taking any notice of them. Wait. Loose lead. Calm dog.